If you want to set custom always on display image on the Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings and right now scroll down. Open personalization and right now you will have to go for always on display. Then scroll all the way down and select custom image. Then you have to click to select image, and as you can see here you can find all of your gallery. If you don't have this for some reason, you have to grant permission into your gallery, and here select a picture that you want to use. Now you can also change the clock position, so down, up. You can also remove that clock if you want. You can add and hide some widgets, and also can change that clock color. And when you go for your picture like that, it will be visible over here, and we can also make it bigger or smaller by making this simple gesture. And we can also reverse colors if you want, and you have to click apply, and that's basically everything. Now as you can see, you can find your theme over here.